Hi, I'm Emma from Honeybuns Bakery. I hope you're all keeping well. This is another one of our lockdown baking sessions for you to hopefully lighten the load and give you easy puddings to serve. What we're doing a mixture through these videos of baking from scratch, and also as we're doing today, I'm taking a cake that you can get direct from us, save you the hassle of making, and then hacking it into a really quick and easy and yummy pudding. So today I'm taking the Dark Chocolate Brownie. That's our vegan one. Really delicious. We get a lot of really positive feedback on this. The texture is quite unique. It's fudgy with a slight amount of chew in it. The ingredients are super clean, super simple. So you've got coconut milk in there, dark chocolate, light brown sugar, gluten-free flour and cider vinegar, and that's pretty much it. Tiny pinch of salt, that's it. So really yummy brownie. I've taken 3 of these today and it's going to serve 2 people. Cut them lengthways with a reasonably sharp knife. And it doesn't crumble. There's quite a lot of stretch in this mixture, which is down to the coconut milk and the cider vinegar. It gives a really good texture. Okay, now I've got a special little teaspoon for this. I've cheated, I've got to be honest. This is not vegan ice cream simply because I don't have any at the moment, and in the spirit of make, do and mend and store cupboard ingredients, I'm using a dairy ice cream, but clearly for vegan you'd be using a vegan alternative. You can try Booja Booja. I'm pretty sure they do online. They certainly sell into health food shops and Waitrose. You can also try Koyo for a dairy-free yoghurt, which you could then freeze and try doing that. Or you could look at our previous video on how to make a coconut ice version of an ice cream, vegan one, which is super delicious and dead easy. I'm not blessed. If you've been watching these already, these videos, you'll know that I'm not blessed with artistic merit, but I do good flavours. So there's your ice cream or vegan alternative. We've mentioned these people before. I'm going to do it again because they're so utterly brilliant. Is Sous Chef. That's S-O-U-S Chef. They do online, globally sourced cooking ingredients for the professional and for us at home. And they're so friendly, easy to deal with, and they've just got an amazing array of products. We don't take any money from them. We've just dealt with them in a friendly way. You know, we've done social media link-ups and stuff like that over the years. So that's all it is. And we think they're fab. And we're trying to help as many businesses as we can during this tricky time and help you to get hold of good stuff as well. So with my magic teaspoon, I'm balling up. You're going to make a much prettier job of this and hopefully send your photos in as well to shame me. But I'm balling up the ice cream to create a lovely, delicious layer. I'm then taking the freeze-dried, these are freeze-dried raspberries from Sous Chef. They're really punchy in terms of flavour. A little goes a long way. Added bonus of them looking ridiculously pretty as well. And then put your 3rd slice on top. So sweet. And then I prepared earlier some vegan dark chocolate, which I've melted. Lottie, you can see that, Bain Marie style. So that's basically a pan on the hob. You want the water to come to boiling point, and then you can turn it down to simmer, and you put your chocolate in to a bowl. The important thing is get the right sized bowl for the pan. So obviously you want a larger bowl than you have a pan, otherwise it might get a bit messy. You don't want the water to come into contact with the chocolate, otherwise it'll spoil it and you'll get lumps. And I've just got a broken brownie layer there. You do have to be a bit careful that you support the brownie with enough ice cream. I'm going to do a little bit of cosmetic surgery on that in a sec. Right, so you then decadently pop the molten chocolate over the top. I mean, that is ridiculous. Going to be gorgeous. And then as a finishing touch, pop your raspberry freeze-dried on there. You can also, I can't resist these chaps, these are cornflowers, also from Sous Chef. And they're so, so pretty. We use these on quite a few of our Honeybuns products. I think that looks really cute. I did mean to do it on that plate because that would look really, really pretty. And we've got a bit of a casualty there. Sticking together. Forgive my ham-fistedness, but you get the idea. I mean, that is just so quick, so easy. Even I can do it. And that's, you need 3 pieces of the dark chocolate brownie to serve 2 persons. I hope that's helpful. I hope you enjoy it. I really hope that you'll let us know what you think. Please do share if you like this video. Sous Chef, we've given them 2 shout outs recently. They're fab. Go check them out. And then I'll start to name check other small businesses who are serving brilliant things online, and we'll be delighted to hear from you. And I'll mention those in forthcoming videos. Do give us your feedback. Stay safe, and thank you for watching. Thanks ever so much. Bye.